Good morning, everybody, and I'm out in the garden today. It's a little sunny, hold on. But I just wanted to talk about something that every farmer and gardener should do towards the end of the season, and that's actually to put a cover crop down. Now, if you don't know what a cover crop is, it's basically something that you can lay down on top of your soil after you take out your plants and stuff like that. And that way it's gonna put nutrients back into the soil instead of using synthetic fertilizers. Concepts probably that people have used for hundreds of years. However, the agricultural business inside of America has not been doing this, but they have been doing it recently and calling it carbon farming. But basically what you want to do is right here, you can see that all of this is actually buckwheat. I use buckwheat as a cover crop just because, one, it's super easy to just lay down and allow it to grow yourself, and it adds nutrients back into the soil. So next year, the soil is going to be really nutrient dense. Basically, what this is going to do is it's going to take carbon dioxide out of the air, use the carbon dioxide, and so that way we can take a lot of the CO2 out of the air that we're currently creating from pollution. This is also going to add nitrogen back into the soil, phosphorus, and potassium. So yeah, I'm not gonna go super in depth with it. That's pretty much all you have to do. Throw some buckwheat down or any type of cover crop that you can get off of like a bulk seeding website or something like that. But I'm not gonna go into it because it's really that simple. Throw some seeds down. It doesn't strip the soil in the winter. Therefore, you won't have to use synthetic fertilizers and pesticides next year. And then this will add nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium back into the soil. And it will take out that CO2 out of the air, grab that carbon. That's why a lot of people call it carbon farming. And it'll take that CO2 out of the air and it'll help kind of with pollution. And now, is it going to do that in my garden? I'm not entirely sure, but if we're talking on a larger scale here with agricultural farming that they're starting to do here in America with carbon farming, then we can, talk on the larger scale of that. It's going to be really beneficial for the earth.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.